As the investigation continues, the details and the twists coming to the forefront is turning murkier. Major twist that emerged in the very Delhi blast probe now. Sources have said that the terror strike was timed for December 6th initially, the anniversary, remember, of the Babri Masjid demolition. Now, the probe team sources tell India Today that the mastermind of the Faridabad module, Dr. Umar Nabi, planned the attack as a part of what the group called a revenge date. Intercepts reveal that Terror Cell had shortlisted several high-footfall locations in central Delhi for maximum impact. The plan, investigators say, was finalized after the group's Turkey visit, where Umar is believed to have met Jaish-e-Mohammed handlers and received operational instructions, details which we were just bringing to you a little while ago. But what was Umar doing in Delhi before the blast? That is the question at this given point. India Today has tracked his movements. On the day of the explosion, around 2:30 p.m. itself, Umar was spotted at Faiz-e-Ilahi Mosque in Old Delhi near Ramlila Maidan. And this is right opposite the Turkman Gate. Now, he remained inside for over 10 minutes before heading straight towards the Red Fort, where the blast later took place. Now, this is the detail that's been unearthed so far into this very aspect of the investigation. Let's take a look at the ground report that our colleague has to bring with more details on this.
Umar Nabi, the terrorist who detonated that I-20 car in the Delhi terror blast, had parked himself in the parking lot of the Sunehri Masjid for 3 hours. But where was he before? This is the masjid where we are being told that Umar Nabi, before going to the parking lot, had spent some 10 to 15 minutes. At around 2:30 p.m. is when he came to this mosque. He stayed put over here, probably offered prayers. That's when he left. After spending 10-15 minutes, he went to the Sunehri Bagh Masjid parking lot. And there he was standing for more than 3 hours without moving. So this was one of the final places, probably a masjid, where he offered prayers, or there could be some other things that will come up in the investigation. But good 10 to 15 minutes he spent over here at the Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid located in Turkman Gate. This is what the investigators are right now saying about the terrorist Umar Nabi. With video journalist Ashok Bhanot, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.